Massive Crew back once again with another video, and after taking a nice little break, sorry about the live streams, I'm now back and ready to crack on with the competition. Live streams are now back up and running. Took a little trip, as you can see possibly from the footage there. Yeah man, I'm going to be getting through all of these competition remixes now and checking them all out, and we're going to be finding a winner. The competition is now closed for entries, so that's the lockdown. We're going to get cracking on. There's quite a few mixes that have come in, and we're going to crack on. Take care, God bless, peace.